What's going on, Pixie Dust Posse? I'm Matthew.
I'm Marley, and this little princess is Maisie.
And today is day 3 of our Disney Magic preview cruise to Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point.
Our final day.
It's gone by so fast, so go back and watch the other parts of this series, including our tour of Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point.
We get to meet 4 princesses today, which you'll see here in a bit.
Yeah.
But other than that, on our schedule is we're gonna get some sun time. We're gonna go to our favorite coffee shop, the Cove, and do some laying out and swimming in the pool while Maisie is taking a nap in the nursery.
Yeah, Maisie has been to the nursery on this cruise ship every single day and been getting rave reviews from the nannies. So
they love her.
They love her.
What's not to love, girl?
And hopefully you love what you're seeing. If you do, like, share, and comment on this video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button as well for more Disney, cruising, and family travel content. Let's get into our day.
Woohoo! Good morning, guys. We are waiting in line for the princesses, the royal gathering. Maisie has her Stitch dress on, and it looks like we get to meet Ariel, Tiana, Cinderella, and Belle. They bring all the princesses together for one reservation per cabin. That way you're not, you know, going here and there and everywhere. You can just do it all at once, boom, boom, boom. And that works well for Maisie.
Close, just like little guppies.
Oh. Maisie!
She's faster on her human feet than I am.
Come here, Mama.
I'm so crazy.
Here, I'll sit next to you. This is Maisie.
Maisie, well, lovely to meet you, Miss Maisie. Now, you know, you got to come visit me at my restaurant in New Orleans, okay?
Yay!
Hey. So this is Andy's room. We're in the open house. This is the Oceaneers Club, right?
Yeah.
This is incredible. Wow. Maisie, look at this. Oh, that's a good picture right there.
Right?
Maisie has the Campsnap photo. This open house is great. Yeah.
Maisie, I don't know if you know this about Daddy, but he loves slides. Woo! So right off of Andy's room is this Disney room where they're showing The Lion King. And then when you walk through here, you got the Avengers Assemble Superhero Academy room featuring Thor's hammer, Iron Man, and a training shield. I want to hang out in here, y'all. Little bathrooms. Obviously, Maisie is a little too young for this area, but eventually when we come on these Disney cruises, she'll be able to do all the exploring here in the Oceaneers Club. And I know she's gonna have a great time because she already loves it, even in the little open house try that we've had here. Hey guys, we just met Jonathan, the Vacationeer Travel, and he wants to tell you a little bit about the services that they offer.
Hey guys, yeah, thanks. So the Vacationeer, we offer, first of all, on all your Disney cruises, onboard credit. So up to $1,000 onboard credit. If you book with us, there's no catch. Just book your Disney cruise with us and get up to $1,000. Check out our website. But yeah, when you're booking, it's important to have agents that understand, that know the ships, that know the differences, that know the itineraries, the locations, the ports of call. the different offerings on each ship, which ones have which shows. Those are the types of things that we're here to answer all your questions. No cost to work with us. So talk to the Vacationeer, look for us on social media or vacationeer.com, vacationeer.com. Thanks for watching.
Yeah, I'll put all the plugs down in the description, so make sure you check them out.
Hey guys, welcome to room 2038, Oceanview, Deluxe Oceanview stateroom. Come on in. But this is a nice roomy cabin. And I like that our bed is first and then it's the couch. That way we're not walking through the crib area and she can kind of be blocked off. It's small, but there's two of them. So the first one, you have a bathtub and a shower. So Maisie has been enjoying the fact that there's a bathtub on this cruise.
Yes.
And then the next one is...
I will say this is a tight, sexy fit. You got to close that door if you're using this bathroom. Ain't that right?
As one should when they're using the bathroom.
That's right. We're not. All right, Marley, what are we doing?
We're going to the Cove, our favorite coffee shop. And then we're going to hit up the adults pool.
Yes, the adults pool, because Maisie isn't with us. She's at It's a Small World Nursery.
This is the only time we can do something by ourselves is on a Disney cruise because not a lot of other cruise lines offer daycare for kids under 3.
Worth the extra price just for that. Adults pool area is popping, but we are going to get a coffee and a macaron from the Cove Cafe. So we're at the Cove Cafe and we got some of our staples. I got the double espresso. Yum. The coconut macarons, which you have to ask for because they're not on display.
No, I didn't order that.
And then got the cranberry slice in the Rice Krispie. Okay. And
What did Marley get?
Marley got some sugar water. What is this?
Salted caramel coconut latte.
I wish I had more coconut, but it's good. All right, y'all, this pool day has been a little bit of a fail because the sun has decided not to come out.
It's kind of out right now, though. It's trying.
And there's no activities on the ship right now unless you're a kid or a tween. And we are not a kid or tween. I don't know if y'all are the same way as I am, but like, I need to have a little bit of sunshine before I start drinking. And the sunshine has not been adequate enough to start the drinking process.
So we're looking for something to drink. We do love that Disney includes soda and it's not an additional fee. But on the Magic, the stations are extremely limited, unlike the Fantasy, which we're used to. Hey, look, that drink place is open. You always said it's closed. That's where you can get Dole Whip. Even though the sun isn't out, it is still hot and it's important to hydrate. Take it from a girl who never drinks water.
All right, y'all, it is night 3. We are heading to dinner at Animator's Palette and trying to catch these elevators because
they are quick.
They will leave you behind.
Whew. I haven't seen Animator's Palette this whole time, and I feel like I've been on every level of the ship, but clearly not. We're excited. So if you've never been on Animator's Palette, there's usually a little treat for you.
Table 72 on the house.
Good evening.
All right, Maisie, so we got the kids menu here at Animator's Palette. Looks like we have some roasted tomato and pasta soup, garden salad, breaded turkey breast with tomato sauce, mac and cheese, or chicken strips. We know your mother loves chicken strips. Caramel custard, Mickey ice cream bar. Let's get a shot of that.
Mother knows best.
You don't want to?
Thank you. Marla, you said that Animator's palette menu is the same here as it is on the Fantasy.
Yes, remember I got the tomato tart the last cruise and I was obsessed with it and you wanted it and I was like, no, it has goat cheese on it, it's all mine. So I'm gonna get 2 of those.
Marley's an only child and she doesn't like sharing.
I'm not an only child. My sister's gonna be really offended by that. I am gonna get the tomato tart, the penne bolognese, and maybe the chicken breast. I don't know.
All right, Animator's palette. I'm definitely gonna get the smoked salmon tartare and the tomato tartare since you're not sharing. For soup, I'll get the baked potato and cheddar cheese, and then for my main, I'm gonna get the ginger teriyaki Angus beef tenderloin.
Garlic focaccia and rolls.
Back to your singing.
Up and down and up and down and up and down and up and down. You want to look at him too? There's his butt.
So we have some animation happening around us as we're enjoying dinner.
Man, she met Pooh Bear and she really liked Pooh Bear.
She like Pooh Bear? She didn't meet Pooh Bear on this cruise.
Crystal Palace for her birthday.
Oh.
You weren't there.
This is impressive. The servings there. Maisie's first steps. And we caught it on camera. Look at her clomp. All right, we're in line to meet Pluto and Goofy. Dinner was bussin'. Pluto!
Catch this baby, you ready? Woo!
Catch a baby.
It was a joke. Yeah.
Aww, love the little kisses to Pluto. Don't we like that?
Pluto, dog.
Look at those smiles. Oh, so shy.
The ice cream machines work just fine. I don't know what you're talking about. Here you
What are
go.
you talking about? Every time it's come out slow and uncontrolled like me.
That's banana and chocolate.
I don't know if this is like a noob tip or anything, but on Disney cruise ships, they have an on-demand service and you can watch basically any Disney movie that you want free of charge. Disney on demand. Just guess what movie we're watching right now. You can probably hear it. Yeah. Well, it's kind of hard to tell what movie it is now, but Lilo and Stitch. All right, y'all, we did not take Maisie to the nursery, so we are going where?
To the pizza.
To the pizza.
Because Matt's hungry. How? I don't know.
She knows.
I'll take this side.
She knows.
I take this side.
So it's Pinocchio's Pizzeria. We try to try the pizza on the cruise ship. I can't remember what Disney's pizza tastes like, so we're gonna find out. Disney pizza, cheese, pepperoni, Pinocchio Pizzeria. It's really hot. The crust doesn't have a lot of integrity. Probably about a 4 out of 10. All right, Mario, let's talk about dinner at Animator's Palette. What'd you have? What'd you think?
I had the tomato tart, the arugula, pear, and beet salad, and I think it had a wasabi dressing on it. It was spicy, but so good. And then I went with my OG, the penne bolognese. I get that every time at Animator's Palette, and it was great. Dessert was kind of meh, but the show was excellent.
You had icebox lemon cake, but it wasn't
It
cold.
wasn't. Yeah, it wasn't cold.
It wasn't icebox.
No, it was broken refrigerator box. It was melty.
These aren't real problems. Appetizer for me, I had the salmon situation. Then I had the sliced ham, and I also had the tomato tartare. All of it was great.
Tomato tart.
Tartare. And then for dinner, I had the crusted tenderloin, which had wasabi mashed potatoes. That was great. All in all, dinner was great. Matt and who? Emily.
Who's Emily?
It really is that time, y'all, because the cruise is ending. So we got to take down our big poster. How many followers do you think we gained because of this poster?
I don't know, 50 to 100?
I would honestly say that.
Yeah. It's come to an end. Our
Yeah.
3-night preview cruise to Disney's Lookout Key at Lighthouse Point. I'm so sad it's over.
Yeah, and if you missed that video, it's part 2. So check that one out. This is a 3-part series. If I'm gonna rate this cruise on a 10 scale, I'd give it a solid 7.5.
Yeah. Yeah, it loses like 3 points for not having Stitch available.
Oh, I was gonna say because like the itinerary is too short, limited options with Maisie, even though she is younger, and then obviously that long walk to Lookout Key, everyone's talking about. So
I think that's going to be the topic of everyone's video is that walk.
if you made it this far, like, comment, and share on this video. And please hit the subscribe button. We just hit 5,000 subscribers in less than 2 months. And we can't thank y'all enough. We've really enjoyed this series. And yeah, we'll see you in the next one.
Bye, guys.